Hello guys, in this video we're going to create a QR code that points to a Google review page so your customers can easily add reviews to your business. The first thing we have to do is to create a link to your business's review page. I'm going to leave the links pattern in the description below, and it should look something like this. The only thing we have to do is to change this part here with our business's unique ID. To do that, just Google Place Finder tool, and it should be the first link. Scroll down to the map and find your business using this search tool. Once you find it, make sure you copy this code right here and paste it after the equal sign in the link that you can get from the video's description. So I'm going to remove this text and paste in the unique ID. Now we can use any QR code generation tool. I'm going to use QR.io, and all I have to do is to paste the link, and it's going to generate the QR code that I can simply point my phone, and it will open the website that users can add review to my business. Now I can download the PNG file if I want to print this or add to another document and so on. But that's how you generate the QR code for your Google review. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.